Okay, my friends, how is happening? How's everything doing? How late is our presentation today, madam? Was it a long time ago? It's a continuation.
Yes, sir. More than 1.5 months, 2 months, people are waiting, sir.
It's a long way down.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah.
Option A ஒன்னு எடுத்தாலும் ஓகே தான், option 2 எடுத்தாலும் ஓகே தான்.
அப்படியா?
எப்படி இருந்தாலும் எங்களுக்கு சாதகமா தான் இருக்கும்.
சரி. எல்லா முன்னுக்கும் படிக்க முடியுமா? எல்லா முன்னுக்கும் படிக்க முடியுமா?
சார் அடிச்சிருவேன்.
நீங்க இப்ப லைவ்ல பேசிருக்கீங்க.
Okay, bye.
என்ன ஓகே பாய்? படிக்க பாருங்க. இருங்க, stay online. There are some girls out there giving me options. Let me see. What is the option? They said option 1, PM class finish, you come here. Option 2, we will pack everything, go to your place.
அது பெஸ்ட் சார். எல்லாரும் வர சொல்லிருங்க லைவ்ல.
Option 1, Siva Baba, counting time starts now. Option 1, 10 p.m. class finish, you come here. Option 2, we will pack everything and go to your place at 10 p.m. These girls all are, madam, getting very naughty lah. Naughty girls. Hello. Don't be so naughty, You all enjoy yourself there. By the time you come here, it'll be 1 hour. By the time you go to 11 o'clock, it'll all be very, very bad. Okay? Bye. Take care. Bye.
Everyone is crying.
No. Don't worry. You'll all be fine. We'll meet you very soon. Bye. Option 1, option 2. Okay, my friends. Let's start, madam.
Okay, sir.
Let me start now. Thank you very much, all of you. Okay, now, urgent healing request. Chandrika Mehta from Rajkot. Okay, sir, my daughter Komal Mehta, 25 years old, ventilator since 33 days. She's having Guillain-Barré syndrome, GBS. It's like a paralysis attack. Full body part starts failing on one side. She can speak also. She can't speak. She's on her own senses but cannot breathe properly on her own. Please guide her. Who is this now, madam? Is the person here in the class?
Yes, sir. The mother is here.
Where's the mother? Can I speak to her? Ask
Yes.
her. Can she open the eyes? Can she move the hands? Or she's like one side paralysis?
ચંદ્રિકા બેન, તમે અનમ્યુટ થાઓ અને સર પૂછે છે કે પોતાની આંખ ખોલી શકે છે, એની વન સાઇડ પેરાલિસિસ છે કે બધું જ બંધ છે, એનું કંઈ ઓપરેટ નથી થતા બોડીના પાર્ટ્સ? અનમ્યુટ થાઓ ચંદ્રિકા બેન, અનમ્યુટ થાઓ પ્લીઝ.
હા મેમ, આંખ ખોલી શકે છે, ગળા સુધી જ છે, ગળાથી નીચેના ભાગમાં છે, ઈશારાથી બધું સમજાવી શકે છે, ગળાથી નીચેનું ભાગ આખો પેરાલિસિસ થઈ ગયું છે.
Sir, she can open her eyes, but everything below the neck has been paralyzed. She just expresses by blinking her eyes.
How? What happened? She fell down or she had an injury or accident? What actually happened?
No, sir. This syndrome that is there, the GBS syndrome, it's like a virus actually. Some people get affected by it and within 6 months they are gone. Actually, it is that bad, sir. It starts from the leg and slowly it goes to the upper parts of the body, and then once it reaches the brain, normally that is the scene of GBS, sir.
Okay, did she get hurt or is it some kind of a pus or something like that?
It's a virus, sir.
The virus?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Madam, I see a 400% is a karma in this lifetime, madam.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Karma, not only with father, mother, nothing is her own karma they set to her. Virus, yes, one virus, correct. One virus is there attacking the nervous system. It starts, it is flowing through the whole thing and it's gone to the spine, right up to the C1, C2, C3, C4, up to C4, madam.
ઓકે સર ચંદ્રિકાબેન સર કહે છે કે વાયરસ છે એને કોઈ કોડ્સ કે એનર્જી નથી તમારા સાથે કંઈ નથી પણ એના પોતાના કર્મો છે જેના લીધે આ થાય છે એના પોતાના કર્મોના લીધે આ થાય છે
વાયરસ છે મેમ, વાયરસ છે.
હા હા ખ્યાલ છે ચંદ્રિકાબેન સરે કીધું કે વાયરસ છે જે એના C1 C2 C3 C4 બધાને એફેક્ટ કરે છે પણ આ કોઈ નેગેટિવ એનર્જી હોય ને ઘણી
The nervous system has come from the bottom of the legs and gone right up to C4.
ઓકે સર
You know, so it's eaten up all the thing. That's why she's not able to move. The nerves are not sending signal, madam. So it's to restart. It's going to be just one virus, but it's karma. The virus is whatever happening is part of a karma in its lifetime. Okay. So ask her to show the affirmations.
ઓકે
Now, is anyone there in the hospital with her right now?
હમણાં ચંદ્રિકાબેન હોસ્પિટલમાં એની સાથે કોઈ છે
ના અત્યારે કોઈ નથી અને નથી જવા દેતા મેમ, આઈસીયુ છે ને એટલે ત્યાં.
She's in the ICU and nobody is allowed to go inside.
Okay, can she take page number 7 now? Page number 9 of the virus affirmation. Show in front as her daughter is in front of her.
સર પૂછે છે હમણાં થોડીક વારમાં તમે કોઈ જઈને એને પેજ નંબર 9 જે બુકલેટમાં છે ને વાયરસ એફર્મેશન એ એમને બતાડી શકે છે
હા હા, એટલે હું મેમ 7 વાગે જઈશ ને પહોંચાડી દઈશ.
તો થોડાક વહેલા જઈ શકો તો સરને પછી આપણે ત્યારે કહીએ તો સરને જે કરવાનું એ સર ત્યારે કરે
હા તો પહોંચાડી દઉં વહેલું. હા સર.
Sir, she'll reach in 1 hour and can she call back again from there?
Okay, better, madam, better.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Ask her to go down there, show the virus page to her thing, and we'll try to deactivate the virus. Okay, one
sir.
virus active. That's all. One virus, madam. It's a common virus, but it's eating the nervous system, madam.
Yes, sir. ચંદ્રિકાબેન સર હા બોલો
હા, એને કઈ સરને કઈ ચંદ્રિકાબેન રિક્વેસ્ટ કરે છે દિલથી કે મારી દીકરીને ઊભી કરો પ્લીઝ.
ના that એટલે જ સરે કીધું
It's a common virus, but it's in everybody's body. It so happened to her because of her karma. It's affected her. That's all, madam.
ઓકે સર ચંદ્રિકાબેન સરે કીધું છે તમે હમણાં જ જાઓ ત્યાં એ બુકલેટ છે તમારી પાસે વાયરસ એફર્મેશન નું
હા વાયરસ એફર્મેશન હા જોઈ લો હશે
હા તો જોવો નહીં તો મને પછી WhatsApp કોલ થી વાત કરી લ્યો અને ત્યાં જઈને બતાડો ને સરે કીધું મને ફોન કરો ત્યાંથી એટલે સર પછી વાયરસને ડીએક્ટિવેટ કરી લેશે ઓકે
Coach, madam, read
Yes, sir.
show page number 7 and read page number 9. Okay, both pages 7 and 9. Okay.
હા સર યસ સર ઓકે સર ચંદ્રિકાબેન પેજ નંબર 9 અને 7 એને બતાડો ને પાછા તમે ઓનલાઈન આવો કે મને WhatsApp કોલ કરો ત્યાંથી હોસ્પિટલથી ઓકે
પેજ નંબર 9 અને 7.
હાજી
હા તો મારા વહુ છે કદાચ એને ત્યાં જવા દે તો રિક્વેસ્ટ કરાવું.
તો પ્લીઝ એટલું કરો
હા
પછી કયો તમે
હા.
યસ ઓકે
હા તો મને પ્લીઝ તમે 9 and 7 વોટ્સએપ કરો છો અત્યારે હશે
કરી દઉં
હા?
કરી દઉં
હા
ઓકે
અને પછી પાછું કયું. હા હા
હા હા શ્યોર ચંદ્રિકાબેન શ્યોર થેન્ક યુ
થેન્ક યુ.
Another urgent request. Sneha Muni. Why Muni? Huh? Muni means man, isn't it?
so that must be her surname
Oh, Muni is some kind like some kind of like here some kind of demigod, you know. Muni is
yes
Same
yes,
thing.
monks are called muni in Hindi
Okay. Is she there with her?
yes sir
She's showing the whole answer to us. I have mouth ulcer for the long time because of which I cannot open my mouth to so more than 6 months now. I'm having BP, diabetes, osteoporosis, cold, cough, knee pain. I have extra skin on my eyes. Kindly show me how to heal myself. I'm PVH for the last year. Well, madam, where's the husband, madam? Is the husband following PVH?
સ્નેહાબેન અનમ્યુટ થાઓ ચંદ્રિકાબેન તમે મ્યુટ થઈ જાઓ પ્લીઝ
મેમ મને મોકલી દો ને વોટ્સએપ.
હું મોકલાવું છું તમે અનમ્યુટ થાઓ મોકલાવું છું યા સ્નેહાબેન સર પૂછે છે સર
ના મારો વર
Is the husband?
નથી
ના ઈ વાંચે છે એફર્મેશન સર પૂછે છે
હું વાંચું છું મારો વર નથી વાંચતા હું તો અહીંયા ગુજરાતમાં છું બોમ્બે છે
sir she is in Gujarat her husband is in Bombay but he is not following PVH sir he is not reading it.
She's affected by all the dark energy from the husband from the day she got married.
okay sir
She's becoming like a punching bag. She's taking all negativity from the husband. Understand?
okay
You know, Indian lady will say, man, no matter what happened to my husband must be alive. I can die. I will die for him. Like that kind of situation, madam.
Okay, sir.
You know,
તમે મહારાજને કહો.
સ્નેહાબેન સર કે છે તમને જેટલી બી ડાર્ક એનર્જીઝ આવે છે તમારા હસબન્ડ થ્રુ આવે તમારા હસબન્ડ ઉપર બહુ બધું બ્લેક મેજિક કરેલું છે જેની ઇફેક્ટ તમને આવે છે.
અચ્છા.
can she ask her husband to read, madam?
સર પૂછે તમારા હસબન્ડ વાંચશે કેમ કે એમનું બધી ઇફેક્ટ તમારા ઉપર આવે છે ને જ્યારથી તમારા લગ્ન થયા છે ત્યારથી આ તમારી સાથે ચાલુ થયું છે બધું. તો તમારા હસબન્ડ વાંચશે એફર્મેશન?
હા હું એમને પહોંચાડીશ WhatsApp થી તો એ વાંચશે.
યસ સર, શી ઇઝ ટેલિંગ હી વિલ રીડ ઇટ.
How long she's married?
તમારા લગ્નને કેટલા વર્ષ થયા સ્નેહાબેન?
મારા લગ્નને 32-33 વર્ષ થયા.
33 years.
Madam, is there a way to remove black magic in the Jain community? Is she a Jain?
નો સર, મુનિ તમે જૈન નથી ને સ્નેહાબેન?
ના ના.
નો સર, શી ઇઝ નોટ અ જૈન.
Okay. No, I'm just asking as a common thing. Is there a way to remove black magic in the Jain community?
Yes, sir. The Maharaj, the Jain saints do have some mantras and everything with which they can do and they can remove also, sir. That is what I've heard.
They can do black magic and remove black magic also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Tell her when her husband read, then we can help her. A lot of dark energy coming to her because of husband, not because of her. She's fine, but like she's protecting the husband. Whatever comes to the husband, she wants to take it. My husband must be good. My husband is my God. For Indian lady, husband is God, madam.
Yes, sir.
Kanda Devam. They said the husband for Tamil Nadu, the Tamil, they say the husband is the God that eyes can see. Correct, madam? Trinity?
Yes, sir. Kanavane kan kanda devam.
They say the husband is the God that can see with my eyes. So the man God can do whatever she likes with the woman, man. And she take all the thing from her and she will get. So like that, man, she's getting all the energy because of the husband.
ઓકે સ્નેહાબેન તમને સરે કીધું કે જે બી એનર્જીઝ આવે તમે તમારા હસબન્ડની આગળ એમને પ્રોટેક્ટ કરતા ઊભા છો અને તમારા હસબન્ડને જે એનર્જીઝ આવે છે એ બધી તમારા ઉપર આવે છે હમણાં. ઓકે So what all does he have to read?
Page 1, page 3, page 4, and page number 7 to all those people not happy with me from my family and my work I'm doing.
ઓકે સર, સ્નેહાબેન સરે કીધું બધા પેजेस વાંચવાના છે. તમારા ફેમિલી મેમ્બર્સ તરફથી નેગેટિવ એનર્જી છે, એમને પોતાના કામકાજના ઉપરથી બી જેટલા લોકો આવતા હશે એમના પાસેથી બી ડાર્ક એનર્જીઝ આવે તો બધા જ પેजेस એમને વાંચવાના છે તો તમને ફરક પડવા માંડશે. Anything else sir she has to do?
No, madam, it's nothing to do with her. Then when the dark energy she can start healing. Now she's not healing. She cannot heal herself. She's not healing.
ઓકે સ્નેહાબેન સરે કીધું કે તમારા હસબન્ડ એકવાર ઇન્ફોર્મેશન્સ વાંચવા માંડશે એટલે તમારું પછી હીલિંગ કામ કરવાનું ચાલુ કરશે. તમારું હીલિંગ કામ એટલે નથી કરતું કેમ કે એ એનર્જીસ તમારા ઉપર બધી આવે છે.
And her body is very, very heaty. Her body is very, very hot, madam. Very heaty.
ઓકે તમારા બોડી બહુ તામસિક છે સર કે છે, ગરમ છે, તામસિક છે એટલે ઠંડક કરો તમે બોડીમાં.
And also very acidic. Both heaty and acidic.
ઓકે એટલે તામસિક અને એસિડિક બંને છે તમારું બોડી એટલે એ પ્રમાણે તમારું ડાયટ ચેન્જ કરો જે સર હંમેશા કહે છે એ બધું ખાવાનું બંધ કરો. હા એટલે ફૂડમાં ડાયટમાં ચેન્જ કરો, તમારા હસબન્ડને કયો એફર્મેશન્સ વાંચો અને પછી તમે પોતે હીલિંગ સ્ટાર્ટ કરો તમારું. ઓકે થેન્ક યુ.
Okay. Virusha, is she here?
નો સર, I don't think she's here.
Okay, next then. Devashwin Vinayaga Murthy. Devashin Vinayaga Murthy, are you here? I think must be of Sri Lanka, correct? Sri Lanka. Are you here, sir?
They all sent by emails.
So you have the phone number, madam? No?
Ma'am, he was informed actually. Their phone number was there and he's added in the group.
Yeah.
Okay.
We informed yesterday itself, right, Remu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, leave him now.
Try calling.
Veena Shah, 869. Are you here, Veena Shah?
Nisha, she's nodding.
She's Nirali, in the name of Nirali, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
So you're here. You're under the name of Nirali Shah. Why, madam?
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yes, good evening. Who's
Good
name?
evening, sir.
Yeah, who is that? That's Nirali Shah.
That's Nirali Shah.
Okay. Hello, Siva sir. Good evening. Man, me and my daughter following PVH. We attended most of your workshops and blessing. Madam, next time, madam, all women must make the husband follow. Sometimes husband negative when he coming, husband might read forgiveness. This is our trouble. Women will do everything diligently, madam. They want a solution. But a man is the problem. I have some question for my daughter. She's a bit slow learner and her dad also the same. Huh? I have only one child. Well, that same problem, madam.
Sir, sir, can you please come again, sir?
No, she said my daughter is a slow learner, a bit slow, but learner, and her dad also the same. So that
Yes,
is
sir.
also a problem. Slow learner also.
Yes, sir. વીણાબેન તમારા હસબન્ડ બી સ્લો લર્નર હતા સર પૂછે છે.
હા એટલે ઈ થોડા વીક જ છે મેન્ટલી.
Okay, sir, even he is mentally weak.
He became like that from birth, or you married him, and after marriage he become like that.
વીણાબેન
No.
લગ્ન પછી થયું એવું તમને ઇંગ્લિશ આવડે
ના
સમજાય?
મને પેલા કઈ આઈડિયા જ નહોતો ત્યારે આજથી મારા લગ્ન થયા ત્યારે પછી જ મને ખબર પડી કે આ થોડા વીક છે.
પણ લગ્ન પછી એવું થયું એવું નથી ને પહેલાથી જ વીક
ના
હતા.
પહેલેથી જ થોડા વીક હતા.
So he was weak right from the beginning, but she didn't know about it. She was not aware of it, sir.
Oh, so they hide the pusnika and got married.
Yes, sir.
યા
You know what is pusnika, madam?
I don't know.
No.
47 years back, sir.
Ashwad.
The Tamil people said, madam, you can hide the whole pusnika in a pile of rice. Inside they got a big pusnika, they hide it, madam. How they say Tamil, madam?
முழு பூசணிக்காய சோத்துல மறைச்சிட்டாங்க.
That means, madam, the whole pumpkin, they hide in the rice, so no one knows there's a pumpkin inside. So when we come to marriage, madam, they'll put all, no, he's a good man, he'll be okay. And half the Indian people, madam, will get the man married and hoping he'll change after marriage. I don't know how the marriage can help this thing, madam. So they are very selfish, madam. They're very selfish. They know the son is like that. They just want to try and give it to somebody else. You take care, no? That's not fair. That's not fair at all. That's not fair at all. Like that, madam. Huh? Okay, madam. Where's the girl? Is the girl there?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you are the girl.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
she is my girl.
You are Nina Shah. Did you finish education, girl?
Yes, sir.
What did you finish?
I did my BCom, sir, to correspondence.
Are you working? Are you working now or doing something?
No, sir. Actually,
Internet problem.
She's not there? Ah, there, she's there. Okay, Nirali Shah.
Just joining.
So she's not working. Are you working, girl?
no, sir. I had to leave my job, sir,
Why?
because there was some situations at my place, so I had to leave my job. I had to stay at home, sir.
મારા ફેમિલીમાં એટલે મારા ઇનલોસ ગુજરી ગયા, મારા જેઠાણી ગુજરી ગયા, એટલે પછી બધું એને બધું વાઇન્ડ અપ કરી નાખ્યું.
Sir, all her in-laws, many of her in-law, her elder sister-in-law and everybody expired, so she had to take care of the house, and for that reason she had to leave the job, sir.
No, I don't understand. No, not the mother, the daughter.
The daughter,
Yeah,
sir.
daughter.
He's talking about the daughter.
But she's why mother? I don't understand. Why mother? She's not married.
તમારા સાસુ વીણાબેન તમારા સાસુ ગુજરી ગયા તો તમારી ડોટરે જોબ છોડી દેવું પડ્યું?
મારા સાસુ નહીં, મારા જેઠાણી ગુજરી ગયા ત્યારે પછી એને જોબ છોડી દીધી. આ છે ને બહુ જ ઇમોશનલ પહેલેથી અને થોડી સ્લો લર્નર, એટલે એને પછી કે ના મારા ભાભી ચાલી ગયા, હવે મને નથી કરવી જોબ, એમ કરીને એને છોડી દીધી.
So she left the job because she was emotionally attached to her elder mother, like
auntie.
Okay. And
so
then,
yeah, so she left the job on emotional basis, sir. She was not pressurized from home or anything.
hello, madam. This is a karma in this lifetime.
Okay.
Okay, she has to find a way to survive. She has to do something, do divine fire for herself, divine for a new job, read forgiveness, page number 1, and page number 7, to whomever I have hurt in my past life.
Okay, sir.
There's no cards from her in this lifetime, just a past life karma that she's going through right now, madam.
Okay, sir. So her mummy is concerned about her marriage because she feels that if she's not married, what will happen of her after the marriage?
Then you must
after-
hide another. Then, madam, you must hide another pusnika, madam.
Okay, sir. વીણાબેન સરે કીધું એનું કરમ જ છે અને she will have to do it continue like this અને 1 to 7 1 અને 7 પેજ નંબર કરવાનું રીડ ડિવાઇન ફાયર કરવાનું પોતાની માટે બાકી અગર તમે એના લગન કરાવો છો તો જેવું તમારી સાથે થયું છે એવું તમે બીજા કોઈ સાથે કરશો એમ સર કે છે.
Ask her to do divine fire for her marriage and divine fire for her life partner, madam.
ઓકે મેરેજ માટે ડિવાઇન ફાયર કરે નિરાલી યુ આર હિયરિંગ
Yes, ma'am.
યા સરે કીધું ડુ ડિવાઇન ફાયર ફોર યોર મેરેજ એન્ડ ફોર યોર ફ્યુચર લાઈફ પાર્ટનર.
Okay.
Okay.
Very important, but do not wait for young people, unmarried men. Even the married man, the wife is no more there. Maybe she had to sacrifice something to get married. Madam. You know what I mean?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Understand, madam? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes people can be very choosy and things like that. Huh? Understand, madam? Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is this? I don't understand. Her cousin brother. Madam? Her cousin brother is there. He told her that she will look after her, but I don't know what will happen. I'm living in a joint family, and my brother-in-law, his son and wife and the children. My brother-in-law does not let us go to live separately. They want to stay with us until he's alive. Why is your brother-in-law is your brother's husband, madam? Why is he so particular about this, madam?
વીણાબેન તમે સમજ્યા સરે શું કીધું કે તમારા જેઠ શું કામ ઇન્સિસ્ટ કરે છે કે તમે સાથે રહ્યો
કેમ કે એ પહેલેથી એને ખબર છે કે એના ભાઈ વીક છે એટલે એને પહેલેથી એને પોતાના સાથે જ રાખ્યો છે એમ અને એ કે હવે હું એમ કે મારી સાથે જ રહે.
Sir, his Nirali's father is weak and the elder brother knows about that, so he wants to protect and keep them together, sir.
Okay, but as long as good, he's got good intention. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
That's all. Okay, let's see. At least he's still there, you know?
પણ એ બહુ ડોમિનેટિંગ છે, સખત ડોમિનેટિંગ છે.
Sir, she's telling he's too dominating, but.
Yes, madam. What to do? Where can you go? Can you all go and survive on your own, madam? That's the most important thing. Can you all survive on your own?
Yes, sir. Fine. Yeah.
પાછું બંધ થઈ જશે.
ક્યાંય ચાલુ જ નથી થતું.
Okay. Thank you, Veena-બેન.
પણ તો હવે મારે આમાં શું કરવાનું છે, કેટલું કાંઈ સર શું કહે છે?
સરે કીધું તમને જેમ છે એમ જ ચાલશે. નિરાલીનું જે છે એ એના કર્મ છે પાસ્ટ લાઈફના, એટલા માટે સરે કીધું પેજ નંબર 1 અને 7 ઈ વાંચે, પોતાની માટે ડિવાઇન ફાયર કરે, ફ્યુચર લાઈફ પાર્ટનર માટે ડિવાઇન ફાયર કરે, પોતાના મેરેજ માટે ડિવાઇન ફાયર કરે અને બાકી તમારા જેઠના ઇન્ટેન્શન સારા છે તો યુ કેન કન્ટિન્યુ સ્ટેઇંગ વિથ હિમ બીકોઝ તમે એકલા
લાઈફ ટાઈમ આ રીતે જ રહેવાનું છે એમના અંડરમાં.
યસ એટલે સરે કીધું કે તમે ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટ થઈ શકો છો ફાઇનાન્શિયલી ને બધી રીતે. કેન યુ ડુ ધેટ યોરસેલ્ફ? એટલે ધેટ ઇઝ અ પ્રેક્ટિકલ થિંગ યુ નીડ ટુ ઇવેલ્યુએટ. તમે પોતે વિચાર કરો કે તમે ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટલી રહી શકશો કે નહીં. એટલે સર કે છે એમના ઇન્ટેન્શન સારા છે તો યુ પ્લીઝ કન્ટિન્યુ સ્ટેઇંગ વિથ ધેમ. Ma'am, I will tell her personally. Maybe her internet is bad, sir. Ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Next, ma'am. Let's go. Amar, are you there, Amar?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is Amar India. I have started to follow PVH from 2016. After PVH in my life, I replaced revenge word into forgiveness and love. Before PVH, from childhood, I read many spiritual books like Puranas and Vedas, Yantras, Tantras, met with many gurus, tantrics. I got only theoretical answer. No one
sir,
has
sir, this is someone else.
Okay, no problem.
This is not my.
No problem. No one has the capacity to show in practicality. No one is capable of removing dark energy completely. But now I can show in PVH Siva sir can do it within seconds. I was really surprised. Okay, next, madam. I completely stopped visiting temples and rituals. I forgot to fold my hand to do namaskara. But hey, where are you?
Sir, this is an old request, sir.
Never mind. I'll read again. Nice to read. In other healing modalities, yeah, you sent me email, I think, huh? In
Yes.
other healing modalities, some are real, but offering ritual is not. Is a very difficult to get benefit, and common people cannot afford it. Yes, it's all about money, my friend. They'll pick up all your money, and there's no guarantee for that. No money back guarantee. From childhood, my question was, if God has created the whole worldly world, then why we need to do offering to Him? Yes, He's got everything. Why give offering, especially offering Him life? That's not fair. He created life and He gives the life to Him. Why will He expect offerings and sacrifice from human beings? No one has given proper answer. However, in PVH, I got the answer in practically just with forgiveness and divine fire. Next, madam. Number one, I was unable to sleep in the morning and 4 a.m. to falling. I was flying in the sky and meeting with people, but directly I never saw that place and people. It looked like Kerala. When I shared to Siva sir, he said, present Prime Minister Modi, he so forgot about Nehru. I did not understand. Later, he explained to me that it's the past connection, that you are a guru in Kerala. So people remember you. Soul is traveling in that place. Then Siva sir removed past life connection. Now I can sleep peacefully. Problem is resolved. Okay, next question. Number two. From 2016, I've started to heal many people with PVH1, and results was like miracle. I can share lots of testimonials, but email is going to be lengthy, so I did not share all testimonials. Number three, I've healed trees, plants, animals like cats, dogs, cow, ox. Everything has successfully with PVH1. Before PVH, I learned Reiki, hypnotherapy, pendulum dowsing, soul healing, rainbow Reiki, and etc. But I am only satisfied with I am not satisfied with the results. Next, madam. I shared PVH teaching to many people, but they did not show interest. Later, I decided to go divine fire for Mother Earth, nature beings of earth, sky, ocean. It's become my daily routine now. Yes, sometimes people cannot understand and they don't want to follow. Leave them alone. You do what is thing you got best for you. You become a divine instrument. Mother Nature they will quietly receive all the prana that flows to you, all the energy that flows to you, because divine is using for an instrument to help all the nature beings of the sky and all. Number five, I started to divine fire for forests and animals, asking forgiveness to nature beings of trees and nature beings of rain. After that, I saw lots of changes. In summer season, there was no water in the forest for animals to drink. But after doing divine fire, now sufficient water in the forest. Hey, which forest is this? I felt very happy for the changes happening after divine fire. Next, madam. Last year, I shared testimony for the cornfield without using chemicals for insects and worms. We did divine fire and asked forgiveness. Problem is solved. Number seven, from 2016, I did not consult any doctors. No medicine, not even single tablet. Just using PVH1 to heal the food and the water. Number eight, I'm happy with PVH and Siva sir teaching because no money, no ritual, no sacrifice, no discrimination. Siva sir sees us as a human being. Believe that Siva sir is the man from divine. Next, madam. Siva sir, I request suggestion for two problems which I'm facing now. The girl whom I love is going far away from me, but the girl whom I don't like, they're forcing me to get married to her. I don't understand. It's only my karma to go through all of this situation. Number one, 2018, I was proposed to a girl, music. I am interested to marry that girl. Till 6 months, everything was fine. Then when my colleague came to know about our relationship, problem started. He started to avoid, she started avoiding and not speaking to me properly. My friend said something wrong things about me to the girl. Later, I did divine fire and breathe. Next, madam. Forgiven to everyone. Our colleagues asked sorry to me because they said wrong things about me to that girl. They got good opportunity in other companies and left the company, but my relationship problem is still not solved. I did forgiveness, divine fire 3 times. If I ask everything about my relationship, she will say, I don't want to speak about it. Now I need to fortunately fix the problem because I don't want other girls in my life. Are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what happened now? I think you answered the question the last time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what happened? Are you okay now with her?
No, sir. Now doing work from home, so she's in at her home, so she's just contacting me for the professional things, not for personal anything.
One for what, huh? Okay. Now she's got lots of wrong emotion. But anyway, that's come down 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% come down. So still another 50%. Okay. Understand?
Okay.
So you please do divine fire, read forgiveness, send her nice things, say good morning to her, how are you? Start something good.
Yes.
Were you doing like that before that, or did you tell her I love you previously? Did you tell her I love you?
She didn't say directly with me, sir. With my friends, there are close persons to her. So she showed, yeah, directly I proposed her, but later she didn't directly said to me.
What she said? She will marry you.
Yeah, that's directly I said to her. She said that no, I will think, I will say, and she didn't directly said to me.
Okay, okay, right. That's good. She's a good soul, but her mind has been tormented by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 people about you, negatively about you, because one man was jealous about you and he put up all the story bad about you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 2, one of my previous company colleagues, she's lost a job and she was the only one who is working at home. She asked the help for me to take part in the family for the past 30 months I gave. Okay. Money to take care of the family. Later, she said, I have grandfather's property in Bangalore city market, but it was acquired by gangsters for the past 40 years. So I took help from my political friends and resolved that property issue. Now she built a 3-story building in a place. Now she's forcing me to marry her. Marry her, my friend. Marry her. Ay, yo, you funny fellow lah. She's forcing you some more. One woman don't want you, one woman forcing you. Get the first woman. She'll be better for you. She'll take care of you. Ayya, Amaresh, what do you want now? Woman who don't want you, or woman who want you? And suppose you got three-floor building on. What does she want someone?
My parents are not allowing, sir. They are saying that you just go out of the house.
What? Your parents don't want you to marry her?
No, sir. For that girl, they're not. They're saying that if you want to marry that girl, just go out of the house.
Who is saying that?
My mom.
They will say for a short while, then baby come, all problems solved. You go there, marry her, baby first. Then all problems come. Then son come, granddaughter come, all okay, all crying, all finish. That's all finished.
No, sir. Because of fibroids, her uterus has been removed.
What's that?
Due to fibroid issue, her uterus has been removed.
Okay, now wait, hold on first. Now she's forcing me to marry her. That girl's mother telling she give you 10 crores. Because you helped us. But I am not interested, and my parents also not agree because she's 7 years old. 7 years older than you. Hey, age is not a difference. Age is not a number only, my friend. She's having health issues. Even I gave a PH option and her parents. Hey, this girl is from a past life.
Yes. So do you have any karma with that girl?
Yeah, I have to marry her. She's from your past life, you know? She's from your past life. Somehow they come together to meet her again. She's from your past life, okay?
Okay.
She's having health issues. Even I gave previous information to her parents. Siva sir, it's my humble request. Please give me solution to this problem. I gave solution already, okay? Thank you. Bye. Does she look older than you? Hey, why
no,
older men can marry younger, but young men cannot marry older girl? Why?
That is not the problem, sir. The problem I have said you. My mom and dad, they are a little bit against for this thing.
Anyway, I'm telling my friend, this girl is from a past life karma, okay?
Okay, sir.
It's a past life karma. So do something about it, huh?
Yes, sir.
Still a lot of karma to balance with her.
Yes, sir.
This girl you met, you did all the help and all. She's your past life karma, my friend. Think about it, okay? Think about it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm not saying you must marry her. You marry her, your karma will be balanced and you will do something good for her. That's all I'm saying. It's not whether she can have a child, she's all, sometimes it's not like that, my friend. Some karma you can balance. You can always go end up a child and marry the child and something like that,
Yes,
that adopted child can also be part of your karma.
Hello.
Okay, right? Okay, my friend, thank you so much. Thank you.
Sir, just another one request, sir. Last month, 22nd, my uncle has passed away. So requesting you to elevate his soul if it is here.
No. Is the wife there?
Wife is there, sir. She is alive, but she is not at our home.
Ask her with forgiveness. She needs forgiveness. Husband is stuck. Husband wants to go, but she cannot go because of all the wrong thing that he has done to the wife. Let the wife forgive him and let him go. That's all. If write forgiveness, he'll go on his own. He'll go on his own. He must read forgiveness.
Sir, his wife, she was reading previously, but now she is not reading, not ready to read because her sister said stop all these things. She is not ready to read now.
Okay, then let the husband be there.
Our mom and dad, we are reading. So can you do something, sir, for that?
No, nothing to do with you. It's to do with the wife. The wife must forgive him from the bottom of the heart, and then that soul will go by itself. Okay.
Okay.
Can you talk to her?
Yes, sir. I can speak to her, but I said, read this. No, she is not ready to read because her elder sister is influencing a lot of her. Because of that only, there are a lot of problems created.
Is it difficult to read forgiveness for the husband and let him go? That's all we are saying. You're not asking anything.
Yes, sir. Previously, they are reading. They both are, my uncle and aunt, both are reading. They are reading for 3 years continuously. Later only, her sister, she was a black magician. So beginning
No.
also, she was
When
doing
the
something.
uncle died, after the uncle died, did she read forgiveness?
No, sir. She didn't read. She didn't came for when he was hospitalized also. She after
that
her
time,
death, she
that time, hold on. I'm asking, when the husband died, did she read forgiveness? Or she read forgiveness before the husband died? It's the difference. Understand?
yes, after that she didn't read.
Yeah. So after he died, no, huh? So she must read at least once, and the soul will go by itself. He just wants to ask forgiveness.
Okay, sir. And once again, I will try to convince her.
Page number 1 and page number 4. That's all. Page number 1 and page number 4.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I will do so.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sheel Shah, age 26. Hello, Siva sir.
Yes.
Are you here?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
I have a huge call from an auntie who is an energy vampire. Wow. I feel pressure across my whole body. Because of this, there's a lot of energy coming from my body and blocking me. I have been affected very badly because of this. I've lost 12 kgs due to this. I'm affected physically, mentally, emotionally, and not able to work because of this. Please help. Are you online, my friend? Sheel Shah.
Yes, sir.
Now, this auntie, how? Mother side or father side?
Father's side.
Is the blood relative?
Yeah, she's my father's brother's wife.
Not blood relative, lah. No, she's got no blood relative. You understand what I'm trying to say? Okay, your father's brother is wife relative. Or your
Yeah,
father's
but we stay in a joint family.
No. What I'm trying to say is your father and your father's brother are both blood relative. The wife, where the wife came from? Where the wife came from? Family also?
I didn't get you, sir.
Where did your father's brother's wife come from? Is she part of the family? Or she was somebody outside got married into your family?
She was She was from outside only.
Right.
Married to her.
Yeah, that means she's not a blood relative. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You and your father's brother, all blood relative. There's some blood of them into you. That's what I meant by blood relative. Understand? Okay.
Yeah, she is not a blood relative.
Can your mother read forgiveness?
Yes, sir. She can read, but she doesn't follow PVH.
Hey, where's your mother now?
She's out right now, but I can call her and ask her to read forgiveness.
Ask her to come now, or she can come now, or whenever she come, read forgiveness to your auntie, your father's brother's wife, and then only we can help you. It's all about very jealousy about that lady to your mother. That's all. Okay, understand?
Okay. But I'm feeling a lot of energy parasites also coming from her. Like I'm feeling all over my body. They are like biting me.
Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Who must read forgiveness?
My mother.
Yes. Whether the person biting or not biting, your mother must read forgiveness to that lady.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Mother must read page number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and page number 7. She must read for the lady. Can your mother read?
Yes, sir. She can read.
You read. After reading, only we can help you. Okay?
Okay. Should I contact you after that?
You ask your mother read first, come online, and then we'll do it for you. If you are still around in these 2 hours from now. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, 1 second. Sir, the girl who is in the hospital, they are showing the affirmations to her right now.
She can't be on the phone, right? She can't be on the phone.
Yeah, the mother has shared the image of page number 7 and 9. and they are showing it to her right now in the hospital.
Okay, madam.
Yes, sir.
ஏதாவது வெளியே ஆர்டர் பண்ண பாப்பீங்களோ?
Madam, now I've already deactivated the virus. Let's see how she feels in 1, 2, 3 days from now. But remember, madam, when the virus go and attack the nervous system, most of them will be eaten and the signal may not be able to flow across. Okay. It takes some time to rejuvenate. The body must rejuvenate all its cells so that the signal can travel and stop this paralysis from happening. Okay, madam?
Okay, sir. Any type of healing that particularly needs to be done to her?
Just to aura cleansing, Ida Pingala, and also energize the spleen gland, spleen chakra. Spleen chakra. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
That's all we can do, madam. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Ayati, are you here, Ayati? Are you here, Ayati? You send a request via email.
Audio on.
Ayati, are you here? Okay, bye, Ayati. We have to move on. Thank you very much. Go 77, madam. Risha Mittal. Akesh Mittal. Hey, this Mittal very rich people, isn't it? They're still owners, is still big steel people, isn't it? Why are they coming after us, madam? I am a small fellow, madam. Mittal, big people. Hey, Mittal. Which Mittal is this? Or Mittai?
So it is Mittal.
Oh, Mittal. Oh,
Yes.
sorry. Not Mittal. Say, madam, Mittal. Where is Mr. Mittal? Are they here?
Yes, sir. Rishya is online.
Are they wives of family members or brothers or sisters, madam?
So I don't know. This is what was written, but Rishya is online.
Hello. Hello, ma'am. This is this side Rishka.
You know, the only people at this side is from India. This side, that side. This side here, that side who?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, madam. You and the Mittal, what connection, madam? Mittal Steels.
Sorry, sir, I couldn't hear.
So that is Lakshmi Mittal. The name that you're saying is Lakshmi Mittal.
Are they from the same root? The same root, madam, Mittal root?
Rishya
No. I wish I could, but it's not true.
No, madam, we are the Mittai group, madam.
No.
Hey, Mittal means Miss Sweet, isn't it? In India, Mittai. No?
Yes. Yes, sir.
I want to hear you get bit of zesty. I get success.
Hello. Yes, sir.
But again, I want to heal my acidity problem, want to heal my husband's diabetes. Okay, madam. Now, remember this, madam. A lot of issue to do with food. Acidity is food, diabetic is food. Okay, madam. But again, weight is also food, madam. So what do you guys eat to put on so much of weight, madam, that you want to lose? Losing weight is very, very difficult, madam. But once you lose weight and then you start eating, and then you put on weight again. It's how you can manage, but sometimes it's not easy to manage all of this food, madam. Because today everybody got good food, madam. Hey, Mittai, what happened to you? Mittal.
Ask her to unmute.
Ma'am, I think she's offline. She must. Risha? She's understanding English.
Hello.
Yeah, Risha.
Hello. Yeah. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah. I understood what sir said. One more problem I wanted to raise here that I couldn't write there. Can I say?
Yes, madam.
Sir, my grandmother is not well, but she's 80 and she has a paralytic attack from 10 months, and so I don't know what to say, but she's not going and she's on the bed from 10 months.
Somebody is holding her from going, madam. Some lady is holding her from going up.
Some lady. Hello.
Can somebody show the affirmation to her and all of them read forgiveness from her so that she can go in peace?
Okay, sir.
There's one lady, madam, from her own family. Any children she have? Girls?
Yes, 2 daughter and 3 son.
Where's the first daughter?
First daughter is here with her only.
Can she read forgiveness and let the mother go in peace?
Okay.
So she's holding the mother and she wants the mother. This is the whole trouble, madam. Sometimes we have to let people go so there will be peace in the next life, madam.
Yes, sir.
Now, about your body weight, how much of body weight are you right now?
Sir, 80.
How much you want to go down? What's your body height?
So 5.2.
Wow, that's very, very, so much of weight, madam.
Yes, sir.
You must lose 18 kilos, madam.
Yes, sir.
That's a lot of
So
weight, madam.
last year I reduced, but then again from 6 months I put on.
Yeah, because of eating habits, madam. You forget about the thing and you start eating.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Sir, as per Miss, I'm not regular for exercise and walking, but eating habits are somehow it is okay with me. Like I don't had so many fried and these things. So, but exercise and walking is not regular.
Madam, I see only food, madam. Food. That's all.
Okay.
Food.
Okay, I'll take care.
Okay? Even acid problem is food. Husband diabetic, all food, madam. There's no black magic, dark energy. It's food. So make sure you eat the right food, madam. Low calorie food. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Next.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye, madam.
Bye-bye, sir.
Yes, Krishnan, Hyderabad. Respected sir, gratitude to you. Always, please change our lives in so many ways for the better. No words to say thank you. To request is regarding our ancestral house in Kerala, where my mother and sisters are living. Lots of money spent to repair works. Fights keep happening. No understanding between family members. We have been waiting to renovate the property since 20 years. Some obstacle always come up. My brother and mother were disagreeing to give it to builders to develop the property. Brother is always in conflict with me. My mother was to continue there, but always complain about negative, lack of peace, etc. Now there's a likelihood of a temple authority acquiring the land as if it was very close to the temple and we will be left with nothing. Oh my God. Advisors, thank you. Sir, be careful, sir. A lot of dark energy in that house coming from the temple itself.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Lots of dark energy coming to your home from the temple itself.
Okay.
So can you talk to your brother and tell him that we're going to lose everything? The temple will. This land is what do you call this kind of land? Is it ancestral land? Is it a grant land, or you own the land, or the government can take away and give the temple, or what?
No, sir. This is our own land purchased around 40-50 years back, and my father has constructed the house. And it's maintenance. Every month or every 2 months there will be a lot of maintenance cost.
Actually, this is very close to that very famous temple, sir, Guruvayur in Kerala. So we are just within a stone's throw away from the temple. And my father-in-law worked almost 45 years he served in the temple. And
Oh.
he served in the temple. He was part of the administration setup, sir. So he also passed away very suddenly. I think it was due to BM, which you had said before. And after that, nothing, only repair work, and there is no peace in that house at all. My mother-in-law, she is in good health. She wants to continue there, but nothing is happening. Money is just flowing for repair work, and we are able to sense the energies there. But I don't know. Somehow there is no agreement at all, sir, on this issue.
A lot of dark energy coming out temple to the place, madam. That's all.
From the temple itself.
Yes. What do they do temple? Do they remove souls and all, madam?
No, nothing, sir. It's a very famous Krishna temple. Millions of people come there. And there is actually no, as far as I know, no tantric practices or anything involved.
Nothing.
But it could be too. We don't know. I mean, outside, it is not like Chota Nikara or any temple like that. It is more like Tirupati and all. People come from all over the world. People come to worship. Father-in-law himself was, but there was a lot of politics when my father-in-law was also there, when he was because he was a very honest man. He caught some people stealing the God's jewels, and also there was a lot of conflict at that time also, sir. That was when I was newly married. But whenever I used to go there to stay, I used to sense a lot of disturbing energy. And now also my mother-in-law has a huge prayer room, sir. She is not willing to change that. There's a huge prayer altar. And lot of
the house is very dark because of the temple.
Oh, okay. So what can be done? A brother is not even on speaking terms.
Think of temple, madam.
He's not talking to me at all.
Hold page number 7, madam. Both of you hold page number 7 and think of
okay,
the temple.
Sir. Okay. Yeah. Right now we are doing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Think of your house, sir. You want your mother's death.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Start doing divine fire for the house and something good will happen. All done. Finish.
Sir, the issue here is the temple authorities, anytime they can acquire the land, because they will go for expansion of the temple premises. So that is the only risk here.
But would they pay you any money, madam?
They will pay as per the temple authorities. If I want to sell that house, I may get a higher amount. But if the temple, without their permission, we can't sell this property. So whatever market rate, according to the government rate only, so it will be very less. So if we construct now, then we can stay there till they ask us to go there. It will take 20 years, 30 years also. We don't know.
If we start doing something about it now that, sir, you have removed the dark energy, hopefully things will resolve. If we start doing some renovation and make a proper structure and have it done, then probably they will not ask us to move or take away or seize the property. Yeah.
There's no more dark energy now, then you can do something about it.
Thank you so much, sir.
Can I ask you one more question, sir, about my new business? I need your blessing, sir.
Good, sir. Start doing. Have you started?
Yeah, we have started, sir.
Quite good, sir. Do divine fire for the business.
Okay.
Bless the thing of the business.
And for my son, reduction of his weight, sir. For my son, we want his weight to be reduced.
Sir, he must heal his thyroid gland, sir.
Acha, okay. Okay.
Your daughter is expert in that, sir. Ask her daughter.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so
Yes.
much for your time, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sankit H. Gold Clay.
Ghodke.
Sankit, are you here, Sankit?
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir.
You're a doctor. What doctor are you, sir?
My Sanket's mother is doctor. Sanket is doing a post graduation in computer science.
Computer application.
And you are the mother.
Yeah,
You're a doctor.
yeah. I am Ayurveda doctor.
What doctor are you, madam?
Ayurveda doctor.
Ayurveda. How does Ayurveda work, madam? Please tell me. I just want to know a simple thing.
Ayurveda is ancient.
Hold on. Is it only herbs, roots, or stems, or the whole plant?
All together. It's root, stem.
Even roots.
Yeah, roots also, stem also. Whole plants can useful.
Because in the Chinese, madam, most of them are all roots. A lot roots and also some stem. But I don't see the leaves. I can't remember, but I don't see any leaves. But I think Ayurveda are mostly all leaves. A lot of leaves and things like that,
All things. Roots can also useful. Stem can also useful. Leaves can also useful.
So since you're also, are you doing PVH, madam?
Yeah, spiritual affirmation daily. Read daily.
Fine. I'm talking about the PVH healing compared to Ayurveda. What do you think, madam?
PVH healing. Yeah, I heal most of the patients by PVH.
No, I'm asking you, what do you compare? How do you think PVH and PVH healing with Ayurveda?
Okay. It's different.
Easy.
PVH is different and Ayurveda therapy is different, sir.
I know they're different, madam. In the result of the healing, what do you think, madam? It's all, end of the day, it's all results, but what results you make,
By
you bring somebody to
PVH, by PVH, whatever I am giving the medicine, it's energize more for the patients. Yeah.
Madam, I got 4,000 of videos without Ayurveda, all healing on the spot, madam. Can Ayurveda do that, madam?
No, sir. No, sir.
What, madam?
No, sir.
No, I'm saying we got 4,000 of videos, madam, on YouTube. And all on the spot healing. Which class did you come and join, madam? Which class did you join? Did you come for the Aurangabad class?
Yeah, Aurangabad class. Maharashtra.
Did you come? Did you come to my class? Did you come to my class in Aurangabad? Did you come to my workshop?
अनघा जी सर पूछ रहे हैं कि आपने औरंगाबाद में उनका क्लास हुआ था वो किया है या ऑनलाइन कोई क्लास किया है?
नहीं, औरंगाबाद का क्लास किया है।
सर आए थे तभी शिवा सर ने किया था वो क्लास?
नहीं, शिवा सर का नहीं, यहाँ वॉलंटियर का, औरंगाबाद वॉलंटियर्स का क्लास किया है।
Okay, sir, she's done the volunteers class, sir, not the class that you had taken.
Madam, when we come to the class in many countries in India, we call people up the stage and 50, 60 people, we start healing on the spot, madam.
Right, sir.
And Ayurveda cannot do that, madam.
Yeah. Sure,
yes
sir.
Or no?
Yeah, yes.
Agreed.
That's what I'm asking, nothing else, madam. That's all,
Yeah.
Because the whole process of Ayurveda, you must put in the mouth, it must go inside, it must get digested by the stomach, or before that, go in the bloodstream and go to the correct organs and whichever part and create that energy, madam. Understand? That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, never mind. Okay, we have low confidence blockage. Sanket is inactive in all things, have low confidence, blocking in prosperity, singing. What he's singing well, but not going. You are a singer?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Singer means what kind of song? Cinema song, or just simply you sing as you like, or
Yes, it is.
Classical also and Bollywood also.
you sing for Bollywood?
Yes.
Okay, what do you sing? The songs, or you are like a singer, you sing with a lot of people together, or you sing a solo singer?
Solo singer.
Okay, very good. You make your own music, or you just sing?
Yes, I can create own music also sometimes.
Why don't you create music for us? I will pay you.
Yes, sir, sure.
We'll pay you. You start making one song for us, nice song, like Pani, like that, no, like PVH, something like that, no, something like put all the thing and we put a song, and then we'll make the video, and then we'll make some songs. Everybody is PVH. PVH is good, free healing. Come and heal your headache, simple, free, no heal, like that. So make some nice song in one language, and we'll pay you. Okay. He's reading Delhi for that. He has very, very much progress in behavior, like his angerness or angerness becoming less, but he's not doing actively anything. He has so much knowledge about all things and also singing well, but can't use his knowledge, sometimes blocking. He must go ahead in his career. Is it 1 page or 2 page, madam? Okay, now let me tell you, sir, where's your father?
Father is staying in Panvel.
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Your father must read forgiveness, because there are so many blocks to the father affecting the whole family. Can the father read affirmations, madam?
Actually, he has some mental problems, schizophrenic. He's schizophrenic, and he's staying with
Mom and dad.
his mom and dad.
Oh, the father has got schizophrenia. Father. The father got lots of black magic and curse because of his father.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Your son's father's father, so all linked together, madam. So your father's, your husband's father must also read forgiveness. Will he read?
Okay, but what about Sanket? What he can do now?
Yes, madam. He must read. We must remove the whatever curse or narc energy stopping this from happening for him.
Okay.
Sanket's grandfather must read. Grandfather's affecting father. Father affecting him. Understand? They're like a lineage of all these people, madam. 3 people in a row. So the grandfather must read forgiveness. Can he do? And the father must also read forgiveness. A lot of souls around in the house because of some curse of one lady to the grandfather.
Okay.
Okay, madam?
Sanket must read forgiveness and all things.
Sanket must read forgiveness. Sanket's father must read forgiveness. Sanket's father's father must read forgiveness. Sanket's grandfather must read forgiveness. Madam, understand?
Okay.
Understand, madam?
They are people not believing in PVH. Only Sanket
Doesn't
can.
matter, madam. Yes, read forgiveness. Doesn't matter. Read forgiveness only. That's all. Okay?
No other black magic is there. Only.
Madam, listen to me. The father must read, madam. Read la. Read la, madam. Understand, madam?
Yeah.
Okay, madam?
Okay, madam. Okay, sir.
We cannot help him until this happens. Okay?
Okay.
Madam, is there a cure in Ayurveda for this, madam?
Is there any cure for this?
For your problem in Ayurveda? Prosperity.
सर पूछ रहे हैं कि आपका प्रॉस्पेरिटी या जो भी प्रॉब्लम है उसका आयुर्वेदा में कोई क्योर है?
नहीं सर, इसलिए आपको पूछ रही हूँ। आप मतलब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है जब से मैंने ये फॉरगिवनेस वगैरह चालू किया है। मतलब मेरे बेटे को 3 बार वो मरते मरते बच गया था और उसको कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्कुल नहीं था, साउंड स्लीप नहीं था उसको। जब से वो पढ़ने लगा है वो नींद उसको बहुत अच्छी तरह से आ रही है, कॉन्फिडेंट भी महसूस कर रहा है। मतलब बहुत अच्छी तरह से फील कर रही हूँ मैं।
ओके। और आपको समझा सर ने जो बोला कि उसके पापा को फादर, ग्रैंडफादर और फादर सबको एफर्मेशंस पढ़ना है अगर इसको अच्छा होना है, संकेत को अच्छा होना है तो ओके।
हाँ, लेकिन वो नहीं पढ़ेंगे तो फिर संकेत कैसे हील होगा? ये
नहीं तो वो नहीं हो सकता है ना, तो उनको कन्विंस करिए आप कि आपको अपने बेटे के लिए अच्छा करना है तो आप पढ़िए करके थोड़ा उनको कन्विंस करिए आप।
अच्छा।
Sir, she's telling her life has changed quite a lot after she started reading the affirmation. Even Sanket was not confident and everything, but he's got a lot of confidence after reading the affirmations.
Very good, madam.
Yes, sir. And one more thing.
Now the curse must go and things will start to become better for him. Okay, madam?
मुझे और एक बात पूछनी थी। मुझे भी बहुत, मैं जॉब भी करती हूँ, मैं मेरा खुद का क्लिनिक भी है, लेकिन मैं जहां पर भी जाती हूँ मुझे बहुत मतलब ऐसे जलस लोग मेरे सामने बहुत सारे आ जाते हैं और मुझे उनका सामना करना पड़ता है। मतलब मैं किसी के बीच में नहीं जाती हूँ तो भी मुझे ऐसे महसूस होता है बहुत बार।
Okay. Sir, she's asking that even she's having a dispensary and working, but she comes across people who are quite jealous of her and probably are not are hampering her growth. So
Yes,
what
madam.
is she supposed to do?
Yeah, that's what she must do. All affirmations, sit down, put a calendar in the thing, and sit down and read affirmations. All that must do, madam. We are teaching you so many things about all these things. Huh?
Okay.
Calendar blessings, black magic removal, and all, which I don't have, madam.
Right, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir. Definitely.
Sanket.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sing a song for me now.
Which one, sir?
Any song. Come on, sing some.
Any song lah. Hindi song, what a nice Hindi song. Kuch kuch kota hai.
Oh wow. So sweet.
Kuch kuch hota hai. No, sir, I don't know that.
Okay lah, sing whatever song you know lah.
Okay, I will sing Fir Mohabbat Karne Chala from the movie Murder 2.
Murder 2?
Yes, sir.
Hey, what lah, Murder 2? Sing for Murder 1.
Manna.
Sing.
जब आस में आया एक सुकून मिला जिसे मैं था भूलता आया वो वजूद मिला जब आए मौसम गम के तुझे याद किया हो जब से हमें तन्हापन से तुझे याद किया दिल संभल जा जरा फिर मोहब्बत करने चला है तू दिल यही रुक जा जरा फिर मोहब्बत करने चला है तू
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Now I'm going to sing. तुम पास आए कोई ना चलाए टन 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 कुछ कुछ होता है. Okay, my friend. Thank you very much. Thank you,
sir. Thank you.
Okay, that's God. Sanket just gave a nice, beautiful song for us from Murder 2, a movie called Murder 2. I wonder what the movie all about. Okay, now we got 18 number 18 now. Number 18, Rajesh Tomar, 38, Dehradun, regarding my marriage and my father's court case of land which is half brother. It is the whole problem. Half brother means the different mother, different father. How do you say that? Half father, half brother. Different mother.
Mother.
Different mother. Okay, so what's the problem, sir? Why? Did the father leave a will? Did the father leave a will? Did your father leave a will, my friend?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What was the will?
राजेश जी सर पूछ रहे हैं आपके पापा ने विल छोड़ा था क्या और छोड़ा है तो क्या लिखा है उसमें?
मैम वो कोर्ट अपने आप वो करता है ना मैम, वो छानबीन करता है तो वो अपने आप लगा देता है, वो तहसील वाले तहसील
तो
में।
आपके पापा ने विल छोड़ा था कि नहीं?
नहीं, पापा नहीं सर, दादाजी थे मेरे।
ओके सर, इट्स नॉट द फादर, इट इज द ग्रैंडफादर।
हाँ, मेरे दादाजी।
Okay, so father is alive.
दादा, yes sir.
Your father is alive, correct?
Yes sir.
Now your father got how many brothers?
तो वो सिंगल ही है मैम, वो सिंगल ही है, लेकिन उनके 2 सौतेले भाई हैं।
Sir, his father is single, but he's got 2 stepbrothers. Father has got 2 stepbrothers.
No. I don't understand.
Sir, he is Rajesh. His father is a single child of his parent.
Okay.
From one mother, but probably his father, Rajesh's father, had 2 stepbrothers. So the grandfather had married. He had 2 wives. Grandfather had 2 wives, right, Rajesh bhai?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Oh, very complicating, madam.
Yes, sir. So grandfather has 2 wives, and one wife has 1 child, other wife has 2 children.
Yeah, but where's the will? Will is with whom?
Will किसके पास है राजेश भाई?
मैम वो बिल नहीं होती मैम, जैसे कोई एक्सपायर हो जाता है ना,
हाँ.
तो वो तहसील वाले अपने आप लगा देते हैं, मतलब गांव में पूछताछ करने के लिए आते हैं.
Sir, he's not left any will. It is just done by the local government, the panchayat or what they call, tehsildar or something. They just come and they just stamp it off that this property belongs to this person and that person. He did not live behind a will, sir.
So now the property must be divided into 2, correct, madam? Or
Right,
3?
sir.
2 or 3?
will कितने में डिवाइड हुआ है राजेश भाई? 1 में या 2?
मैम जो मेरे फादर की मदर है ना, उनका हिस्सा मेरे फादर के नाम है, और जो मेरे जो वो सौतेले जो उनके भाई हैं, वो बोले कि आपकी मदर का हिस्सा भी हमें दो.
ओके, मतलब आपके पापा तो हैं, राइट?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
तो आपको और आपके पापा को तो एक पार्ट मिला होगा प्रॉपर्टी का?
हाँ, उन्हें अपनी मम्मी का भी मिल गया है, लेकिन वो जो उनके जो उनके सौतेले भाई हैं, वो कह रहे हैं कि अपनी मम्मी का हिस्सा भी मेरे नाम करो. वो इस चक्कर में उन्होंने कोर्ट केस कर दिया.
Okay, sir, now this is a little confusing. After the father died, they got the property, but then after the mother died, Rajesh's father got the mother's property. Now these 2 other brothers, step brothers, are claiming and have done a case on him for the mother's property.
Say again, madam, say again.
Now Rajesh, this particular person's grandmother, these step brothers have done a case for the grandmother's property, sir.
Oh.
Not for the father's property, for the grandmother's property. They have got the grandfather's property. Now, after the grandmother died, they have got their property. Yeah.
Was the grandfather's property, was it shared equally with 3 people?
राजेश जी, आप अनम्यूट हो जाइए, और सर पूछ रहे हैं कि आपके ग्रैंडफादर का प्रॉपर्टी 3 जन में डिवाइड हुआ था, आपके पापा, उनके 2 स्टेप ब्रदर्स,
और उनकी जो वाइफ थी, मतलब मेरी दादी, उनमें भी हुआ था. फिर मेरी दादी बाद में एक्सपायर हुई, तो उनका हिस्सा मेरे पापा को मिल गया.
दादी का हिस्सा पूरा पापा को मिला है, राइट?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
ओके, और आपके जो दादाजी गुजर गए, तो उसकी प्रॉपर्टी में से कितने पार्ट हुए थे, सर पूछ रहे हैं?
वो 4 में हुए थे, मतलब मेरे पापा और जो 2 सौतेले जो भाई उनके, उनमें, और मेरी दादी में.
Okay, sir, after the grandfather expired, the property was divided in 4 parts. This particular person's father, mother, and the 2 step brothers. Now, after the grandmother died, because the grandfather had 2 wives. So when the first wife expired, the wife means the grandmother of Rajesh. When she expired, that family got the property. So am I clear or am I confusing?
Madam, now the grandmother
is no more. The grandmother is no more, because there were 2 grandmothers.
Correct. Okay. Now 2 grandmothers, huh?
Right.
Now these children are from the which grandmother?
The one this particular person is from this grandmother, so they have got the entire property. But now the step brothers want this property also. Rajesh, the grandmother of Rajesh died, and the property was given to Rajesh's father. But the step brothers are looking forward for the property of these people also. That is not their mother, someone other lady.
Yeah, that's not fair, madam. That's not fair.
Yes, sir. So they have done a court case for that. They are claiming the second mother's property.
No, that's not fair. That's not fair.
Right, sir.
The grandfather is fair enough, but the mother is their mother. They should go back to them. That's all.
Exactly. That is why that is his question, sir.
Yeah, do divine fire for the land, madam, and legally fight it out. The land will be his, but they have to fight it. They just simply put a case, hoping something will happen. You know?
Okay, sir. राजेश जी, सर बोल रहे हैं आपको लैंड के लिए डिवाइन फायर करना है, तो थोड़ा आपको फाइट करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन आपको मिलेगा.
Okay, okay.
Rightfully, it's his land, the father's land, fine. But
Right.
again, he must be very, very careful, madam. Must be very, very careful. Okay.
Okay, sir. So
You
just
must be-
divine fire for the land.
Yeah, do divine favor for the land.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay.
और मैं मैरिज का भी था एक इशू.
बोलिए राजेश जी.
मैं मैरिज का इशू भी था एक.
बोलिए, क्या था आपका इशू?
मैरिज का मतलब मैरिज में दिक्कत आ रही मैम. जो मुझे पसंद आते घर वालों को पसंद नहीं आती, जो घर वालों को पसंद आती लड़की को मुझे पसंद
आपका
नहीं
आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है राजेश जी. राजेश जी आप म्यूट हो गए हो.
आवाज आ रही मैम?
नहीं, अभी आ रही है, बोलिए.
हाँ मैम,
There's a lot of block in marriage. There's a lot of block in
जो
marriage.
लड़की मुझे पसंद आती है घर वालों को पसंद नहीं आती, जो घर वालों को पसंद आती है मुझे पसंद नहीं आती.
सर राजेश जी सर बोल रहे हैं आपकी शादी में बहुत सारे ब्लॉक्स है, कोई एक लेडी आपकी शादी को ब्लॉक कर रहे हैं. सर कैन यू नो हु दैट लेडी इज?
From family members.
आपके कोई फैमिली की कोई लेडी आपकी शादी को ब्लॉक कर रहे हैं. सो शुड ही रीड एफर्मेशंस फॉर द फैमिली?
Yeah, think of a lady first from his
एक
family.
लेडी के बारे में सोचिए राजेश जी. आपके फैमिली की किसी भी एक लेडी के बारे में सोचिए.
Think also a stepmother's family, the step brother's family also.
आपके जो पापा के स्टेप ब्रदर्स हैं उनके फैमिली में से किसी लेडी के बारे में सोचिए.
Yes sir.
सोचा?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Read for this lady page number 7, okay?
Okay sir. इस लेडी के लिए पेज नंबर 7 पढ़िएगा राजेश जी.
Okay, okay.
And do divine favor for the marriage. Do divine favor for the marriage, okay?
राजेश जी आपने सुना सर ने बोला?
हाँ मैम.
हाँ जी.
डिवाइन फायर पढ़ना पेज नंबर 7 मैम.
हाँ जी, पेज नंबर 7 और रिलेटिव के लिए पेज नंबर 2 और 7 और डिवाइन फायर करिए खुद की शादी के लिए. ओके
Okay, thank you मैम.
थैंक यू.
Thank you sir. Thank you मैम.
Yeah.
Sir, next is I think Srinidhi ma'am's network is weak. We can go with V Kamalakshi.
Where is she?
I think she's online. V Kamalakshi.
ఏంటి
82 ma'am.
నమస్తే సార్.
Yes, madam.
నమస్తే సార్.
Tell me, madam, what's the issue you have?
బ్రోకన్ హ్యాండ్ సార్.
Namaste Siva sir, I'm requesting you to heal the following ailment which I'm suffering for many years. Severe low back pain, leg pain, sciatic, internal hemorrhoids, eye pain. Thank you. How long you following PVH when I have a healing one with you?
ఎప్పటి నుంచి ఫాలో అవుతున్నా అడుగుతున్నారు.
2 years
మోర్ దెన్ 2 years సార్.
Has she got a healing one with her?
ఎస్ సార్.
Does she heal herself?
ఎస్ సార్.
Did she change the food?
Yes sir, she was following a good diet and all sir.
What is good diet, madam, in Andhra Pradesh?
Andhra Pradesh we don't have good diet sir, but she is actually avoiding like few things.
Like what, madam?
Rice you are having little, no?
Little one time sir.
Some more, madam. What you stop eating? What else you stop eating? I see like lot of problems all about food, madam. There's no more black magic or nothing, just food. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 food you must totally change, madam. They're not good for your body. 11 food.
11 foods.
Okay sir. Okay.
You must change your food totally, madam. Totally must change your food. As you got so much of problem, madam. Sciatica, leg pain. Your body is very acidic, madam.
Yes sir, she is having so much of acidic problem.
Then how can you change your food, madam? What do you have for lunch? What do you have for lunch, madam?
Little rice sir.
And with what? Rice and what, madam?
Curry. Vegetable curry sir. Dal, vegetable curry.
Dal, vegetable curry. What else, madam?
Curd. Bas.
Then how your thing going to be solved? Hmm? You must change your food, madam. You must change your food. Understand, madam? Hmm? Andhra people must change the food in order to be healthy, madam. Okay. Understand, madam? Drink the milk, don't drink the curd. Drink the milk, madam. Don't take dal, madam.
Okay,
All this
sir.
so much. Your body is so acidic, madam. All this caused because of body acidity.
Okay, sir.
Start changing, madam. Start changing, then we can help you. Okay, madam?
Okay, sir. Help me, sir.
How to help you when you don't help yourself, madam? You must help yourself in order for me to help you.
No, sir.
Madam, madam.
Yes, sir.
Dinner, what are you going to eat?
What, sir?
Dinner. What are you going to eat? Another half an hour, what are you going to eat for dinner?
Dinner today is I eat rice, sir.
Rice, sir. One time is rice. Morning, lunch, rice, dinner, rice, or rice only. Then how to help you, madam? Happy is very happy about it, huh? You say I eat rice one time a day, but dinner also rice. Then how, madam?
Like sometimes we will be having chapati or jonna roti. Joy roti.
The one sometimes, madam, sometimes only, madam. Not always. Sometimes only, madam. I am talking about always, madam. Not sometimes. Sometimes, then sometimes pain comes. Sometimes pain don't go. Don't go, madam. That's all, madam. Change your food, madam. Okay. So, madam, you must seal your L3, L4, L5. L3, L4, L5, S1. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Heal your root chakra, heal both your soul chakras. Okay, madam?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Start doing, madam. Start doing. Change your diet and heal all of these things. Okay, madam? Sometimes when you don't change your diet, when the bones will all be eaten. When the bones are eaten, they cannot hold. The bottom bones are holding the whole body, madam. So please go back and change your diet.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, madam. Bye.
No souls, sir. Sir.
You want souls? I give you. I got many souls here waiting to go, madam.
No. Black magic, sir.
I got a lot of black magic. What black magic you want? What level you want to give it to you?
No, she's recently broken her hand, sir. So heal me, sir. She's having a lot of pain in her hand.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. That's why when the body is very acidic, the bones becomes very, very weak, madam. Easily breakable. They become very brittle. They become very, very. How do I say? They become very. They become very porous. Please understand. Please understand. That's all you're having problem. Okay, madam. I will heal you. Remember,
what can I eat food, sir? What can I eat, sir? Tell me, sir.
What can eat, madam? Nice. You ask your Andhra teacher, madam. Ask your Andhra teacher. They'll teach you, madam. Okay, madam. Bye.
Oh, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye. She's so happy, huh?
Talking with you, it's a very pleasure to her, sir. She always wants to speak with you, actually.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Neha Mehta, 30 years old.
Hello, Shiva, sir.
Yes.
Hi,
Very
sir.
good.
Hello, sir.
Okay, very good. Me and my family, we are facing instability like financial issues, family issues, and career issues from 2016. My sister Bhavika is not married yet. Her age is 32 and my father can't walk independently, so many sisters are taking care of him. So my sister, you see, madam, can't walk independently. So, madam, sometimes you must understand. See, Bhavika is 30 years old and the father cannot walk. And then sometimes these are all like things that she will think inside, who, if I marry, who will take care of my father? So she will be there. So if I go, who will take care of my father? So these are the kind of little unknowingly, there's a block that you put inside yourself, madam. Yes or no? How long your father not walking? How many years now?
From 5 to 6 years.
Yes, madam. So now she will think, Bhavika will think, where's Bhavika?
She is Bhavika. Hi, sir.
Bhavika, so if you marry and go away, who will take care of your father?
हिंदी में मैडम बताइए ना उसे.
सर बोल रहे हैं कि अगर आपकी शादी हो गई तो आपके पापा किसके साथ जिएंगे, किसके सहारे जिएंगे, ये सब सोच आपको आती है?
बहुत टाइम आती है.
तो आप वैसे ये सोच करके आप खुद के लिए एक ब्लॉक पैदा कर रहे हैं, फिर आपकी शादी कैसे होगी वो सर पूछ रहे हैं.
Okay.
Yes, sir. She's telling I get this thought many times, sir.
Yes, madam.
She's telling I get this thought many times.
Yeah, so this can be a little block that she has. So I don't know how. So I will be here and take care of my father. When my father's no more, then I will find. And by the time father's no more, she'll be 55 years old.
Yes, sir.
So these are the kind of issues that you have. You know, who will take care of him? So I will stay. I will sacrifice my life and take care of my father. You know. So these are the kind of things that you have to consider. Unless you say, I want to be married, but I want to marry a man who come and stay with us.
Yes, sir. Right.
Change the thought form. Or I will marry an orphan where he got no house, he'll come and stay with me. He must have father and mother. Put a thought form, madam. Start putting thought form like that. So the man will come and stay with you. He got no father, he got no mother. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. सर नेहा सर बोल रहे हैं कि आप अगर ऐसा सोचते हो कि पापा का ध्यान कौन रखेगा मेरी शादी के बाद, तो आप एक गलत थॉट फॉर्म पैदा कर रहे हो खुद के लिए, आप खुद एक ब्लॉक पैदा कर रहे हो। उससे अच्छा अगर आप ऐसा सोचिए कि अगर कोई मेरे को एक ऑर्फन अनाथ लड़का मिल जाए या कोई अच्छा लड़का मिल जाए जो मेरे साथ शादी करे और मेरे मम्मी पापा के साथ में मेरे को शादी करने को रेडी हो, वैसे थॉट्स अगर आप पैदा करोगे, वैसे थॉट्स अगर आप करोगे तो आपकी लाइफ भी सेट हो जाएगी। वरना आप पापा के ध्यान रखते रखते आप तब तक आपकी एज इतनी बढ़ जाएगी कि आपको कोई लड़का भी नहीं मिलेगा बाद में। तो सर यही बोल रहे हैं खाली कि आपके जो थॉट प्रोसेसेस है उसको आप राइट रखो। ऐसा मत सोचो मेरी शादी हो गई तो पापा का ध्यान कौन रखेगा। ऐसा सोचो कि कोई ऐसा लड़का है जो मेरे को मेरे पापा के साथ मेरा ध्यान रखने को रेडी हो जाए, मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी पापा के साथ लेने को रेडी हो जाए, वैसा थॉट्स आप लाइए।
ओके ओके
Okay. Now, number 3. My mother and father are not talking to each other from 2015. My father had given finances to the needy people in a good manner and intentionally, but now the people are not giving us our money back. When you say people, means what? Many people, or just one organization or company, or what is it?
नेहा काफी लोग है, 10-15 तो लोग है अलग अलग जिनको प्राइवेट बेसिस पे दिया है।
आपके मतलब फ्रेंड सर्कल है, फैमिली है?
फ्रेंड सर्कल, डैड के फ्रेंड सर्कल, मेरा फ्रेंड सर्कल, ऐसे लोग है कुछ।
The friends, many friends have taken money, borrowed money, many friends.
और स्टैम्प पेपर पे किया है एक्चुअली।
Okay, they have taken the money against signature on the stamp paper, etc. Sir.
Did anybody pay them? Did any one of them pay them, or no one paid?
किसी ने नहीं दिया, no one.
Why? How many people go? How many people? 10 people, 20 people? 30?
क्योंकि उनको पता है ना अभी कि घर पे डैड है, सो वो वसूल करने आ नहीं सकते, और हम भी दोनों, हमारा भी इम्प्रेशन वैसे पड़ता नहीं है। सो लोग ऐसे लाइक वो टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड। या
और कितने लोग हैं सर पूछ रहे हैं?
ऐसे 10 तो लोग हैं मिनिमम।
So minimum 10 people she is aware of, and she's telling since her father is not independent now, and these two girls can't go out to borrow money, that's the reason they are taking them for granted and not giving the money back, sir.
You know what they should do, madam? They should take all the paper and go to give a debt collector.
Okay. So, but that is not how it works here, sir. Nobody looks at all these things.
You see, it's a debt collector. They must give some money out of them. You collect the money, 20% I give you, 80% come to me.
Sir, but all those debt collector system is not here in India, sir. There you go to any kind of government services, sir. You are running from one door to another. Nothing works.
Madam, this is a private debt collector, dadas.
Acha, gundas. Okay.
Okay, so
you make agreement. They give the money, 20% yours, 80% is mine. They must do because they cannot do something like that. They must think about it.
एग्जैक्टली मुझे यही आंसर चाहिए था सर से, क्योंकि हम भी हमारे दिमाग में था, लेकिन अभी सर से ग्रीन सिग्नल मिला है तो हम वैसे ही किसी को बीच में लेके जाते हैं।
So she was thinking of the same thing that you have told her. She was just waiting for you to tell her.
Because they are all girls, so they're difficult to go and meet people. They won't bother, madam. The father is not well. Even the father goes, they won't give. Because they can be another gundas, madam. But very important, you must tell the gundas, find a trustable gundas. You know, in my country, we call them debt collectors, private companies, not government. Even banks will use these people to get money from us. But if you don't pay, they'll look for you, madam, because they got some interest. They got some interest from you. If I get the money, the bank will pay them so much of money, madam. Because all the other cases take long time. Court case and all, paper and all will take long time, madam. And if father is not fit to go to a church, to a court case and sit down and years and years. The best thing, give the gunda 30%. Never mind. That's the money not coming to me. 30%, send him and give it to me. That's all. Find a way to do that, you know.
Got it, sir. So that won't give any harm to
Think
the
about
girl.
it. Think about it. Find out friends who are very reliable, people who can understand, can trust them, give them, and they will find a way. But they'll find a way.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, number 4. I try to read affirmation. I start feeling so much of negativity, so that I do not want to read it. If I read affirmation at night, I don't. Who is this? Bhavika or other one? I don't get up fresh.
It's about me.
Yeah, I feel
Neha
something
Mehta.
right. I have my event management business, and I'm also facing problem in my career, sir. And it's a week we got some terrible blames from unknown people and facing dangerous negativity. No, let me tell you, you have got lots of issues coming from many people. A lot of dark energy coming to you right now. What do?
So she's an event management business.
But now with COVID and all, is it still going on? The event is still on?
नेहा आपका इवेंट का बिजनेस अभी भी चल रहा है कोविड है तो?
हाँ चल रहा है लेकिन ऐसे फ्लो में नहीं है. अभी मंथ में 1 या 2 ही इवेंट्स मिलते हैं.
So she does have events 1 or 2 in a month.
जिससे लाइक कुछ भी नहीं होता है फाइनेंशियली.
All the negativity is coming from the business, the work that she does. That's all.
Okay. नेहा आपको
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people not happy with her. All are men.
Okay. नेहा 7 men है जो आपके बिजनेस सर्कल से हैं जो आपसे खुश नहीं है, उनसे आपको नेगेटिव एनर्जीज आ रही है. 7 men.
लेकिन अभी मुझे पता कैसे चलेगा क्योंकि ऐसे कुछ हुआ नहीं है बिजनेस रिलेटेड किसी के साथ पंगा मेरा.
So she's telling she's not had any problem with anyone as such regarding her business.
No, all work. 7 people. Competition, people who are there. I don't know, but 7 people all work. Men, all men.
Okay. So she has to read page number 5 and 7, sir.
5, 7. She must say to all the people who are not happy with my business I'm doing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, do it now.
नेहा अभी करिए, अभी लीजिए पेज सर बोल रहे हैं. पेज नंबर 7 लीजिए. हाँ. बोलिए ब्रैकेट में बोलिए all the business people who are not happy with me.
एक मिनट. हाँ
पढ़िए.
अब मेरे पास मराठी में है.
चलेगा, doesn't matter. It is the language of your soul. Read it.
लेकिन बिजनेस का मैडम अभी नहीं है मेरे पास यहाँ पे.
पेज नंबर 7 पढ़िए.
हाँ 7 है.
7 मतलब
हाँ ओके. जेव्हा काळी जादू
मन में
पूर्ण
मनात वाचा पूर्ण वाचा.
ओके. Yes, ma'am.
He has read it.
Think of that one. Whole page number 7. Think of everybody.
पेज नंबर 7 आपल्या समोर ठेवा आणि सर्वांचा विचार करा. ज्यांच्या बरोबर तुम्ही काम करतात ना त्या सर्वांचा विचार करा.
हाँ ओके.
See, to all my competition and people in the same business, I ask forgiveness if I've knowingly or not hurt anyone.
लेकिन अभी कोई सामने लाइक दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा है.
नो प्रॉब्लेम. करिए आप और बोलिए माझ्या बिझनेसचे जितके पण कॉम्पिटिटर्स आहे ज्यांना माझे काही ग्रोथ असलं काय असलं आणि त्यांना आवडत नाही त्यांच्यासाठी मी ही बोलते.
ओके.
मी जाणता अजाणता त्यांना काही पण दुःख पोचवलं असेल तर मला माफ करा.
Yes.
करा सर करतात.
Done.
Okay, sir.
Okay, madam, done. Ask her read this every day, 1, 2, 3 times a day. Same page number 7, 1.
दिवसात 3 वेळा हे पेज नंबर 7 आणि 5 वाचायचा. ओके
ओके. और मैम सर मैं एक बात पूछ सकती हूँ और जो मैंने लिखी नहीं है.
बोलिए.
एक्चुअली हम रेंट के घर पे रह रहे हैं अभी. सो पूछना था कि वो अभी मार्च के लिए छोड़ने के लिए कह रहे हैं और हमारी तैयारी नहीं है क्योंकि पापा की वजह से और हमारा फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज। सो एक्चुअली एक्सटेंड करना है, वो एक्सटेंड हो सकता है क्या और पापा भी चल सकते हैं क्या?
Sir, she has 2 more questions. Her house rent is getting over. The person wants them to leave the house in March, which they are not prepared for financially also and because of her father also. So she just wants to know whether that can be extended and whether her father will ever walk again.
Madam, the father is in lots of emotion, and the mother must do something to help the man, madam. Okay, he has done some money, that made a mistake, money is gone, and the wife, the mother should ask forgiveness, and the mother should also do something to help the man. And
Right.
all are very emotional in the house, madam, the mother, the father, the children, all. Okay, and then money is very important. So make them read all the money affirmation, ask mother to read forgiveness for the father, and all these things they must do. All start doing all affirmation first, okay?
Okay, sir. Prosperity affirmation वगैरह, और सर ने बोला आपकी मम्मी को भी आपके पापा के लिए करना पड़ेगा, पैसा आज है नहीं है, लेकिन पापा को बहुत सारा इमोशंस है, शायद मम्मी के पास से उनको जो सपोर्ट मिलेगा तो उससे पापा खड़े भी हो जाएं। तो आप सबको थोड़ा इमोशनली थोड़ा स्ट्रांग होना है और प्रॉस्पेरिटी अफर्मेशन सबको पढ़ना है घर में।
ओके ओके, और वो हो जाएगा क्या मार्च का?
आप ट्राई करिए।
ओके ओके सर, सर प्लीज मुझे ना रिक्वेस्ट है कि मेरे फैमिली के लिए हमें हीलिंग चाहिए सर से और ब्लेसिंग चाहिए।
आप एफर्मेशन पढ़ेंगे ना तो आपको खुद ब खुद सर के ब्लेसिंग्स आ जाएंगे। सर के ब्लेसिंग्स सबको मिलते हैं उसमें से।
ओके ठीक है,
Okay.
थैंक यू सर, बाय
सर, बाय बाय।
बाय, थैंक यू।
Okay, madam, this is a lot, madam. A lot of people, 84. We're going to start with the blessings, madam.
Okay, sir. How many more? I think 85. Five more. Okay.
No, madam, too much, madam, too much. We can't finish.
Okay. 15 done. Okay, we will continue maybe next time.
Okay, bye. See you guys. Bye. I'm going to go for blessings now. See you guys, my friends. Bye.
Bye.
So, hello.